10-Step Guide to Rolling Over a 401k into a Gold IRA with $100,000. Diversifying retirement portfolios is essential amid economic uncertainties. Rolling over a 401k into a Gold IRA is a popular option. Here's a simple guide to transfer your $100,000 401k into a Gold IRA. 1. Understand Gold IRAs. Unlike conventional IRAs, a Gold IRA allows investment in physical gold and other precious metals, held by a custodian for safety and compliance. 2. Evaluate your 401k plan. Check for restrictions or penalties in your current plan to avoid unnecessary costs during the rollover. 3. Choose a custodian. Research and select a reputable custodian with transparent fees and excellent service, as they purchase and store the gold. 4. Open a Gold IRA. Fill out an application, provide identification, and fund the account with the help of your chosen custodian. 5. Initiate the rollover. Opt for a direct rollover to transfer funds directly to your Gold IRA, avoiding taxes and penalties. An indirect rollover requires depositing funds into the IRA within 60 days. 6. Select gold type. Choose from bullion coins, bars, or rounds. Bullion coins like American Gold Eagles are highly liquid, while bars may offer lower premiums. 7. Purchase gold. Instruct your custodian to buy gold that meets IRS purity standards, typically 0.995 or higher. 8. Secure storage. Store the gold in an IRS-approved depository, arranged by your custodian, ensuring security and insurance. 9. Monitor investment. Regularly review your Gold IRA to align with retirement goals. Track gold prices and adjust strategy as needed. 10. Tax implications. While rollovers are tax-free if done correctly, future distributions are subject to income tax. Consult a tax advisor to plan effectively. Rolling over a 401k into a Gold IRA offers a hedge against economic volatility. Follow this guide for a smooth transition and secure your financial future with gold. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.